Nick Seals, and I'm with MobbStream.com.
And what do you guys do?
We are providing a streaming flash service for the iPhone. We think it's a first, and our target market is going to be website owners and operators that have flash content that they want to expose on the iPhone.
And without having Flash, on the iPhone itself, how are you guys doing this?
It's a hosted browser that runs on the cloud, and it streams the Flash content down into the iPhone in an MJPEG stream.
That's really fascinating.
Yeah, it's very fascinating. We knew that if we had built it as an app or a plugin, that it would be rejected from the App Store, just like Adobe's. So we built it as a kind of when Google Voice was introduced, it was rejected a few times, but they did an end run around Apple by creating a web app, and that's what we did.
So yours is a web app, and people can get to it?
Actually, we're in a private beta right now, and it will not be available to the public. This is for website owners and operators to subscribe with our service or engage us in a consulting gig to get Flash on their site.
And this is mostly, it's not necessarily the interactive type of Flash, right? It's more the like streaming, like you're saying?
Actually, if you want to point here, I actually have Hulu running, and it's fully interactive. You can click, and it will, in the example of Hulu, it would respond with the animation. It's fully animated. It runs at 8 frames per second, which is not the same experience you would get on the desktop, but it really is responsive. It takes about 0.2 of a second from when you click to when you see the response in the video. In addition, we had to invent our own version of a mouse because there is no mouse on the iPhone. So we add a little toolbar to the Flash area, and you can open that up, and there's a mouse, and you can scoot the mouse around, and wherever it hovers over would respond the way Flash does. Finally, if there's a video behind the Flash, you can open this up, click the little Q, and it will launch out into QuickTime and show you the high-res version of what's playing on the screen with sound.
That's really cool. Yeah. That's good. You guys have done a little magical thing there.
Yeah, we have. Now, keep in mind again, it's going to be mostly for website operators to engage us in a contract to provide this on the iPhone platform. Now, this will also work on all the iTouch and the upcoming iPad.